Okay, my friends, so with the solar light, it's been raining for the last couple days, so I haven't been able to get a really good video. So I'm about to show you guys how bright it actually is. So let me turn it on. There you go. This is our closet. And as you can see, very bright. That's with it off and on. The funny thing is, you could actually use this as a rechargeable flashlight if you wanted to, because of the handle. Hello my friends, and welcome back. Today we are showing you these 2-pack solar lights. Super bright, we'll see about that. Sensitive PIR motion sensor, solar powered, no wire needed. So let's go ahead, show you guys what's inside the box. You guys are seeing it for the first time, just like I am. I do all my videos 100% unscripted, 100% honest. I like people to know what they're getting, and you guys get a real user experience when you watch my videos. So you get a manual here. Now I'm pretty familiar with solar stuff. I installed my own solar system, so I think we pretty much can get this. Something bouncing around inside. Not sure what that may be. Let's check the other one. Alright, so it could be the battery. That's, the panels charge a battery inside. Panels look not bad. It looks like they are a mix of two different type. It's a little hard to see, but both look each side look like it might be a different type. This one is all the same type of solar panel. So if you guys look at this, all the panels are the same. If you look at this one, these panels are more of a lighter blue. Over here it's deeper. So interesting. This would be the motion sensor. You have your on-off switch. So I doubt they're charged at all now. So we'll have to set them out and test them out. So if it's not charged, and to tell if it's charged or not, oh, there we go. So it does work. So once you turn it on, it's going to automatically go back off then. Outside. But to turn it on, they probably have it set up like that. So when you turn it on, it's on to show you that it's on. And then it'll probably go off in the daylight. So we'll do that and we'll see. We'll leave it. Yeah, so it went off. So once it picked up light, it went off. And as you can see, it turns on. So they are super bright. Looks like might have different adaptive mode for the brightness depending on what it picks up. Okay, this one actually turned on. I didn't think I turned this one on. It must have been on. So yeah, so the brightness will be varied. So it looks very simple and basic. You just slide this in. Actually, it looks like it would go this way. So there is a screw that you will want to thread out to lock it in place. Okay, so you're gonna have a screw on the top and a screw on the bottom. You're gonna want to unscrew those out. They're just two little small screws. And then you're gonna line up this and slide this in. Once you have that in, you can go ahead and put your screws right back inside here. So you will need a screwdriver. I did not see in the package that it came with any. So once you do that, you just screw it right back in, both sides. And that will hold your stand in place. So what is interesting is they also give you the screws for the bracket. So this is how you would mount it in. You would screw in these. Now, I recommend before you screw this right back in, before you put this in, let's see here. No, you got room. You could have the bracket on and then screw it into, the siding or wherever you're mounting this. You could have it in, or you could screw it in like this. This would probably be easier to screw it in. So guys, as an example, if we go ahead and we turn this like this way. Now, when you put it in, it's going to be facing a different angle. So let's show you guys here. So it's going to be facing a different angle now. The light's going to be upward on a slant up. If you have it like this, it's going to be at a slant down. And, you know, it depends on where you're mounting it and how you're mounting it. Alright guys, so enough talking. Let's show you guys what they look like at nighttime. Okay, my friends, so with the solar light, it's been raining for the last couple days, so I haven't been able to get a really good video. So I'm about to show you guys how bright it actually is. So let me turn it on. There you go. This is our closet. And as you can see, very bright. That's with it off and on. The funny thing is, you could actually use this as a rechargeable flashlight if you wanted to, because of the handle. It's actually not a bad idea. They really could market this as a, you know, if they customize this a little bit, they could make a rechargeable flashlight, hand flashlight. But yeah, anyway, so that's how bright it is. So if it's looking down, hopefully I'll have an update video once it stops raining. But as you guys can see, it is super bright. And works great.